Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to explain to you how to open a Zelle account in the United States. Now, before we start, make sure to like and subscribe if you find this video helpful. So, in order to open a Zelle account, what you're going to have to do is simply see if your bank or credit union offers Zelle. So, as you can see, it's already available in your mobile banking app or online banking. Simply check your mobile banking app or sign into your online banking site and follow a simple steps to enroll your Zelle profile. So you can find a list of participating banks and credit unions offering Zelle. So if we go to that link, we can see all the banks that offer Zelle. So as you can see here, I have a list with different banks that basically uses Zelle. So all you have to do is simply open that specific bank app, and then you can simply set up your Zelle profile by simply typing on Zelle when you try to transfer money. So basically that's all for today's video. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.